guys, welcome back. This is Archana here, and I'm super excited to be part of this amazing hop. And this hop is organized by Maria Clark. This hop is about colors, and in this video, I'll show you or tell you how I choose colors to paint something. I'm not a pro, but I'll just tell you what things, like what colors works for me. So whatever I'm telling you, these things might work for someone or might it won't work for someone. So just I'll share my experience and I'll share my tips and techniques. So first thing, to for abstract paintings I always go with the bright shade. So like same this Russian blue, crimson lake, that is reddish shade, and then lemon yellow. So likewise shades I use to enhance my abstract painting, and I really like these bright shades. This really soothe my soul, you can say. So again, I would like to tell you guys that I never follow any rules. So I always try and experiment by my own, and see like what thing work for me. So yeah, so you can see in this painting I have choose like pretty bright colors. So these blues, the shade of blues are called cool colors, and the shade of this reddish called warm colors. So these are warm colors, and these are cool colors. So when you mix these cool colors and warm colors together in one painting, we will get very nice vibrant abstract painting. So in this you can see I have used blue, red, and then bit brownish. So likewise, okay. And sometimes what I do, I choose only one color shade. As you can see in this painting, I have only choose blue shade. So darker to lighter I only use blue, and for flowers I use red and yellow, warm colors. So as you can see, it really, when you add cool and warm colors together, it really complements the composition. So yeah, likewise you can go with the colors. You can also if you're a totally beginner in abstract painting and don't know how to choose colors, then just there are a lot of pictures available online. So you can create your own color palette as well, like by looking those picture, and you can just get little bit of inspiration, and you can learn how to combine colors together. So I'll just give you a little demo over here, how to create very simple abstract painting. On this I'll just take out few colors. So in this, let's use warm colors. So using dabbing technique, I will apply color here. Try to blend the colors together so that you will have very nice blended look here. can see here. Okay, and I'll just give you quick demo on abstract painting. For this, I'm taking this masking tape just to create patterns. and all the hop participant links are in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back till then. Bye bye, take care and happy crafting.